Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook Messenger link. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your Messenger interface. You'll notice a menu icon there, so go ahead and click on it. This will open up a side panel with various options that let you manage your Messenger settings and preferences. Once the menu opens, look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where you can access all the important configurations for your Messenger account, including privacy settings, notifications, and profile information. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll need to locate the Profile section. This area contains all your personal information related to your Messenger account, including your display name, photo, and importantly, your username settings. Take a moment to find this section as it's crucial for accessing your unique Messenger link. Inside the Profile section, you'll see an option labeled Username. Your username is what makes your Messenger link unique and shareable, allowing others to find and message you directly without needing to search through all of Facebook. Go ahead and click on this username option to proceed. After clicking on Username, you'll see an option that says Copy Link. Click on it, and your Messenger link will be automatically copied to your clipboard. This link is incredibly useful because you can now share it anywhere, whether it's on your website, in an email signature, or across other social media platforms. Anyone who clicks this link will be taken directly to a conversation with you on Messenger. And that's it. You now have your personal Messenger link copied and ready to share. This makes it much easier for people to connect with you directly without having to navigate through Facebook's search features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.